In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust text spacing in Google Docs if you want your document to look cleaner, easier to read, or more professional. Changing the spacing can make a big difference. Google Docs gives you a few simple ways to adjust both the space between lines and the space between paragraphs, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. First, open your Google Docs document. Once you're inside the file, find the text you want to modify and select it. This is important because any spacing change you make will apply to the selected text. If you want to update the entire document, you can simply select everything before continuing. Next, go to the top menu, click Format, and then choose Align and Paragraph Spacing. This is the main area where Google Docs lets you control how spread out your text appears. From here, you can choose one of the preset spacing options. You'll see choices like single, 1.5, 1. And double. These presets are useful if you want a quick adjustment without entering custom values. Single spacing keeps lines close together, while options like 1 to or double create more breathing room and can make a document easier to review or annotate. If the preset options don't give you exactly what you want, click Custom Spacing. This gives you more control over the layout of your text. In the Custom Spacing window, enter your preferred values for line spacing and paragraph spacing. Line spacing affects the distance between lines within a paragraph, while paragraph spacing controls the extra space around each paragraph. After entering your values, click Apply to confirm the changes. You can also adjust paragraph spacing on its own. To do that, select the paragraph or paragraphs you want to change, then go back to Format and choose Line and Paragraph Spacing again. This time, look for the options to add space before paragraph or add space after paragraph. These settings are especially helpful if you want clearer separation between sections without pressing. Enter multiple times, which can make formatting less consistent. If you need more precise control, you can use custom spacing here as well to set exact measurements. A helpful tip is to preview your document as you go. Small spacing changes can have a big impact on readability, especially for reports, essays, or shared documents. Using the built-in spacing tools instead of adding blank lines manually will also keep your formatting neat and much easier to manage later. And that's how to adjust text spacing in Google Docs.